What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. As we all know, the loan moratorium, the 6 months loan moratorium will end on this 30th September. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, right at end of this month. So, if you are eligible for post moratorium assistance, should you or should you not take it? This is my opinion. Stick around. Before we go on, please hit the subscribe button and also smash the like button for YouTube algorithm. To recap, first, to be eligible for the post-moratorium assistance, there are only two categories of individuals. Yeah, I'm only going to touch on individuals tonight and not SMEs. So, what are the two categories? First category is person who is unemployed. If you are unemployed, talk to your bank. They will extend the moratorium for a further 3 months right up to December. You don't have to pay a single cent, your loan. Your housing loan, I'm talking about your housing loan. Next, for people who have their salary cut. If you have your salary cut, provide the documents, the bank will reduce the installment accordingly. Some banks even reduce the installment according to your salary cut. Some banks not, but speak to your banks. This video is specifically for those who are on the fence. Maybe you just get cut a bit, but you still can take the blow. You have managed your finances well, take the blow. So this video is for you. It's my personal opinion on why you should, 3 reasons why you should take up the loan moratorium, post-loan moratorium assistance. Number 1, future is uncertain, an uncertain future. You see, ladies and gentlemen, we live in a time where COVID-19 is here. The pandemic is not going to go away anytime soon. And this pay cut may be a signal for what is to come. Today, you may get pay cut of 20%. We don't know, maybe the pandemic has affected your company, which I hope it's not, to further that they can't produce revenue. If they can't produce revenue, the next step they will take is to retrench. So take the pay cut. If you can take the pay cut now, take the pay cut. The futures might be uncertain. Or they may go for a further cut, then retrench. You might be facing retrenchment. Okay, so extra money, please use it wisely. Next, second reason, cash is king. You heard all this, right? Cash is king. No, at this time, hard times, cash flow is king, not cash. Okay, cash stuck in your assets, your property that is not rented out, cash stuck in your FD, which the rates are pathetic at this moment, is not going to help you. Okay, the FD rates is going to drop. So cash flow is king. You need food on the table, please take the loan moratorium assistance. Cash flow is king. With that extra cash flow, you can actually survive, lengthen your runway. Whether it's you want to start a side hustle, if you have extra, I would recommend that you start looking around for a side hustle and put food on the table, as I mentioned earlier. Okay. Last but not least, the third and final reason is, of course, it doesn't affect your credit report, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, it doesn't affect your credit report. Secret CITOS, it won't affect because the bank will not report it as a delinquency. If you pay that reduced installment, the bank will not report it as a delinquency. It's agreed on by Bank Negara and all the banks. Okay, please take this chance. So what it means is here, if you want to apply another loan in the future, you can do so. Okay, when times are getting better, you want to apply another loan in the future, you still can do so without worrying about your credit report. So please take it. These are 3 of my reasons, compelling reasons, that why you should take the post-moratorium assistance if you are eligible. If you are still sitting on the fence, end of this month is going to come soon. So please contact your bank and express your interest. Please do not wait till the last minute and wait for things to pass. Then you start, okay, I want to apply now. No. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please go and apply now. The banks have reached out to you via SMS. If you have not, call the bank, email the bank, and ask them for a post-moratorium loan assistance. Okay. I've also released a book recently. This book is all about loan and how to get a housing loan easier. These are what you need to know for the banks to love you. So this book has 200 over pages, is in Bahasa Melayu, and is available in Shopee or Popular. You can also get this book directly from me via the link below. Click the link below, okay? Next one is, if you have any questions with regards to property and financing, you can always leave me a comment below or send me a WhatsApp message. My number is below. If you would like to sell your property or buy a property, you can let me know as well via WhatsApp. My number is below. So until then, I'll see you again in the next video. This is Kenny here from Property Stories. Bye bye.